Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna take a wig, turn it into a headband wig. That's what we're doing. Yes, wearing a headscarf, not gonna take it off. We're family now. Hey Famiri, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another vlog. It is actually my birthday week. Yeah, this Friday I'm turning. Pause the video down below pause the video and comment down below how old do you think I'm turning. And then later on I'll say it, and then we'll see if you were right. And if you were wrong and you think I'm younger, I'll feel good. And if you think I'm older, I don't know. Anyway, yep, so it's my birthday week. It's actually Wednesday today, so Monday and Tuesday, yeah, y'all call it Tuesday in English, right? Monday and Tuesday I have been working, trying to figure out or to finish as much work as I could. So today's Wednesday. I'm actually gonna be turning a synthetic wig that I no longer use because it's a matted mess. I'm gonna be reviving it and also turning it into a headband wig. So I'm so excited. I'm gonna do that. Let's see, tomorrow the whole type of birthday prep starts. Gonna get my nails done, and I think that's the only thing, right? My nails, and I think my toes, if I can find someone for my toes. I'm gonna get that done. And yeah, and then Friday is my birthday. Saturday I'm having a sip and paint, which is the first time of doing that with some friends. Like, I'm doing small groups for my birthday this year, and then on Sunday another small group. So on Friday it's just gonna be me, my husband, and later on Shenity, which y'all know she started as an intern for my husband's company, but she and I are now friends, which is really cool. So she's also gonna be there on my birthday. And then yeah, that's gonna be it. We are gonna start with the headband wig. I already started. I'll insert some footage of me showing you the wig. Yesterday I didn't do a lot because I was very tired, but I'm happy I didn't because I think I have a better method now. What I was planning on doing was using a method that Mina Adubea showed on Instagram. I'll link that down below. She made a reel where she filled up a water bottle with what you call it again, fabric softener. She sprays it on and then she combs it out. I tried that yesterday. I feel like it's gonna take a very long time. So what I did realize, if the wig is soaking wet with the fabric softener, it's really easy to comb it out. So I went on YouTube University, and I found another method. I'm also gonna link that video down below, and that's what I'm gonna do. Let's hope it works out. What she does, essentially, she feels like a English people, English, I have the Dutch words for what I want to tell you. She feels like a tub, not a tub, like not a jar. In Dutch we say a bak. She feels something, okay, with hot water, and then she adds a lot of fabric softener to it, and then she places the wig in it. She lets it soak for an hour, and then she goes to comb it out. Another video uses a comb attachment on a blow dryer to comb it out and blow it out at the same time. Let's see what's gonna happen. I think this is gonna go well. I have a good feeling. This is the part that I combed out. It took a very long time. Ui, hot. Okay, it's been an hour, a little bit over an hour. I'm gonna look at the hair. I was just working, making some thumbnails. There's a lot that goes into thumbnails if you wanna make it like appealing, and I really need to step up my thumbnail game. In the meantime, I got an Asos order. I ordered 2 dresses for like my birthday. One is the one that I want to wear on my birthday itself, and the other one is just a simple black cami dress, Both are like Asos design. But let's go check on the hair. Let's see what we're working with. Okay, so I'm just gonna hang it here for a second so the excess water can drip off. I feel like the Felicia Leatherwood brush, using that works a lot better than a wide tooth comb. I think my section might also be too big, but mind you, this is the side that I already did. So I think that if I go further and I'm getting like new hair that I didn't comb out yet, I'll use smaller sections. If you do smaller sections, it's a lot easier. So yeah, we're gonna do super small sections. So I'm done. This what the wig look like now. She look good, don't she? I know. This is what she look like close up. Boom, boom, boom. This is the texture. It's very shiny and it's not perfectly straight. It still has a little bit of a wave to it. But we'll see. I'm gonna leave it like this for now. I'm gonna wash my hair so I can try the wig on my head to see how much I need to cut off to make this, to turn this into a headband wig that'll actually fit my head. I'm gonna try on my Asos clothes. I might just prop y'all up here so I can show you, and then gonna go wash my hair and try to cornrow it. Okay, so this is dress number 1. What do we think? I like it. I actually really like it. Has a split. I think this is gonna be a good birthday dress. It's comfy, it's relaxed. Let me try dress number 2. So this is the second dress. It is a very simple cami dress. It's made from cotton material, so it's very casual. It don't look casual on camera, but it's very casual. This is the second dress. I'm wondering if I'm gonna keep both. If I'm gonna keep this. Oeh, I'm overbelicht, mensen. Yeah, so I'm wondering if I'm gonna keep this. I like the other dress. I need to gather my thoughts. So let me just do my hair and then gather my thoughts. And I'll be back. So I've washed my hair. It's a lot of hours later. I've washed my hair. I have flat twists my hair to kind of get it flat, and I already started sewing on the headband to the wig. I'm not doing the neatest job, but I feel like it's gonna get the job done. Okay, yes, can you see? So I'm stitching it using a weaving needle and weaving thread, and then I'm just going across the band. And yes, you'll be able to see the hair and the stitching, but I'm always gonna wear a headband on top of it, so I'm not worried. So yeah, I'm halfway done with stitching, and then I can put it on my hair. There will be glory after this. The joy of the Lord is my strength. The joy of the Lord is my strength. Hello there, it is Thursday, it's the next morning. Listen, we're gonna rock a braid for now until I get a chance to style it. Let's just start by saying it's not perfect, okay? My hair is lighter than the hair of the wig. We gonna act like that's not a thing. My hair is more squiggly and wavy than the hair of the wig. We also gonna act like that's not a thing. We gonna keep it pushing. I feel like I did a really good job, and I'll show more later on. Hey y'all, Minerva from the future here. So I ended up cutting the hair because it was super duper long, and I tried to be on my Arnell Armand game and cut like layers and be amazing with it, but no. I just shortened it. I tried to make some layers. I don't know if that went very well. You be the judge. And this was the result. I really enjoyed it. The wig itself is just very tangly, which is why I might just do this again with another wig. I really enjoyed this DIY. Let me know down below if you enjoyed it as well. I decided to end this vlog here, just make it purely hair, and the next vlog is gonna be of my birthday. It was so super fun, and I vlogged everything, so that'll be the next vlog. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day, you wonderful human being. Bye.